Welcome to our comparison of two innovative laundry solutions designed for travelers, the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into their features, advantages, and drawbacks, helping you make an informed choice for your next adventure. Let's get started. When it comes to portability, the Scrubba Wash Bag shines with its ultra-lightweight design, weighing only 5.3 ounces. It's perfect for backpackers and travelers who need to save space and weight. On the other hand, the portable washing machine, while still compact, weighs 3.5 pounds, making it less ideal for those who prioritize ultralight travel. However, its foldable design allows for easy storage in small spaces. In terms of capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small to medium laundry loads, making it suitable for quick washes on the go. However, it may require multiple washes for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine boasts a 13-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, which is a significant advantage for families or longer trips. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, requiring you to scrub the clothes by hand, which can be effective but may not be suitable for heavily soiled items. In contrast, the portable washing machine uses electric operation with multiple wash cycle options, providing a more efficient and hands-free washing experience. This makes it a better choice for those who prefer convenience. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the portable washing machine have their unique strengths. The Scrubba is perfect for ultralight travelers, while the portable washing machine offers more capacity and convenience. Choose the one that best fits your travel needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.